Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to look at the reduce function. So earlier you could just use reduce like this. It was a built-in function, but something happened in Python 3.0 where we got rid of reduce, and this is an article from the founder of Python language, and he wrote why he got rid of the reduce function, and it would be removed from the standard library, but you can import from function tools. So if I go back, I cannot use reduce like this, but if I want to use it, I will say from function tools import reduce. So it moved inside this. And just for an FYI, the guy who founded Python, his name is this guy, Guido van Rossum. He recently stepped down as one of the chief executive of Python. So he was looking at what changes to make in Python, but he recently stepped down after Python 3.8, I think 3.8 or 3.9. It's a pretty big controversy that you can look up, but he's no longer the Python chief. That's all I wanted to say. But let's come back to reduce. So this reduce function basically does something like a for loop, and that is why it was moved to a function tools. So the founder who wrote the program also recommends you to use the for loop because it's easier to read. Let's do lambda number 1 and number 2, and all it will do is return back num1 plus num2. Let's store it in answer, and we will create a random list. So from random import randint. Let's keep it short. So list1 is equal to randint of 0 to 5 for I in range, let's go with 5. And here I will print out the list, and the way I will use reduce is, let's say reduce, and here you will see function and sequence. So function is our lambda function which is inside answer, and sequence is our list1. So let's do lambda which is answer and list1. Let's print this out. So let me move this over here, run, and we have I have to print list1. So we have 5 numbers with this sum. Instead of reduce, what this is basically doing is sum is equal to 0 for I in list1, sum is equal to sum plus I, print sum. So the reduce function in the background is basically doing what this for loop is doing. If I run this now, you will see the same answer 17, and no matter how many times I run it, it would be the same because in the background the reduce function is just doing this. And that is why it was moved to the function tools, because the founder was like, if for loop can do this, like just use the for loop. You don't need like a reduce function to do this kind of stuff. So what it basically does is it will take the sequence which we have over here, and it will take a function, and one by one it would pass in the sequence and it would return the value. The same thing I can do over here with multiplication, and here I will have to change it to 1 to handle the multiplication, else it would be 0. So now you can see it's 40, and it's going to be the same because this is what the reduce function does. So I think that is it for this video guys. Just a short understanding of reduce is you put in a function and you put a list that you want to pass to the function, and that is all reduce does. So I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video.